losing touch, am I losing my mind? Got a lot of hype, get it on the wrong time. Am I losing touch, am I losing my mind? Shivers running up in my spine. She's like a bird, so she fly above the ceiling. I juggle words while the wind is softly sweeping. The third week's blur, she feeds me healing. They say I'm messing with a killer queen. Lunatic spells keep on whispering, this is it. I am at risk, but this risk is lit. Urge strong, I'ma figure it. I mean, this fire play does appeal to me. I paint my strokes with made-up liberty. Her glance singing silent symphonies, heavenly. And I'm just in the shades, watch her painting me. I get up, it's a lot on my mind. Am I losing touch, am I losing my mind? Got a lot of hype, get it on the wrong time. Am I losing touch, am I losing my mind? Shivers running up in my spine. Now we say it is blatant. Had my eyes screaming statements, I'm too far away and I hate, I'm insanely impatient. With the face of an angel, she's a cyclone for ages. The stones we create, finding peace in the rage. Passion raw like the fruit, come enslave me. It's just difficult to read the signs. Evident camouflage disguise, right? I will have her go her ways besides. Have a fade in haze, have her ever fade away? No, why? I get up, it's a lot on my mind. Hard to tell if there's something to find. Yes or no, no or yes. Maybe I'm, maybe woke, maybe numb, maybe dumb, maybe blind. Maybe it's just a fun. As so no one's got a clue at any time. So sublime. Hi, nice to meet you, hurricane, goodbye. Am I losing touch, am I losing my mind? Got a lot of